So what's up, people? Today is LJ. You know who it is. Cooking with LJ. But today I won't be cooking. Today I'll be more making something. So I'll be... Oh yeah. I'll be making a gingerbread house today. Looks like there's a lot of instructions, so I'm gonna have to get to it. So and because I'm a real one, I bought another one just in case I messed this one up. Hopefully that's for another video, another time. My partner in crime was supposed to be helping me, but they kind of backed down over there on the couch. You know. So you got to be the star of your own story, so watch the champ work. Let's get to it. Hopefully this will turn out nice. Let's do it.